Ki khynnah ka skul David and Lois Rees Memorial Secondary School Tongkiad Iooksi West Giant Hills District kila pass pahak result Secondary School Living Certificate SSLC balapan benadak Meghalaya Board of School Education Embos haka hinyotrek yayong. Kani kasien ningkong bagi khynnah ka David and Lois Rees Memorial Secondary School Tongkiad Iooksi kiya kun yaka examen SSLC. Habaya kran bad principal ka school Richard B. Yuria ulayat hu baladan kat wengot ki khynnah ki baya kun yaka examen bad ka khana ka basngotanat kalong banapdeng ki kat wengot kandaingot kilawan haga kerdan first division bad arngot haga kerdan second division. Halor ka jing job jengki khynnah Richard B. Yuria ulai kuble ya barok ki kmi ki kpa ki nong hikai ki nong train ni non teaching staff ki blatri shitom klem shong than ban penlong ya ka result jong ki khynnah ka babha bat kerpang ru ulai kuble ya barok ki shnong ki badan saudong ka school ki badai ki jaka bagi khynnah school ki wan.
Warm greetings to you all from Iooksi, Tongkiad. I have been blessed to be the headmaster in charge for the school in Iooksi for the last 3 years after my mother fell ill and couldn't go and look after the school. And we were so happy that this year was the first batch of class 10 students from Iooksi. In fact, I was blessed being able to look after the school in Iooksi. In fact, I enjoyed the environment, I enjoyed the local people of that area. And when I first joined, I was just thinking, will I be able to do good to this school and to these villages which are nearby? But I thank God that God has been with us and all the teachers. The school had 11 students this year who appeared for the matric exam. And beautiful story is that of the 11, 9 of them were placed in the first division and 2 of them in the second division. So they had a 100% pass. And in fact, the topper of the school this year from David and Lois Rees Memorial Secondary School got 86% and distinctions in every subject. And I take this time to congratulate her for being the topper of David and Lois School, and I believe that God will bless her and her classmates in their future endeavors. So with these few words, I once again thank all the parents of David and Lois Rees Memorial Secondary School, all the teachers, all the villages which are surrounding the school from where our students come. I thank all the non-teaching staffs who have worked tirelessly to make this result possible. So once again, may God bless David and Lois School, and I hope that in the future they will also bring laurels and glory to their school, their area, our district, and the state as a whole. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.